Hi friends, this is 5 minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can stop caller ID announcement on your phone Oneplus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. First, go to call button and click on these three vertical dots. Click on settings here and select caller ID announcement and click on announce caller ID. Here already it is set to always, so that you receive caller ID announcement when you receive a call. If you set only when using headset, then when you hear song using headphone, caller when call is coming, at the time call is coming, then you will have the caller ID announcement. If you don't want caller ID announcement, then you can just select never, and you cannot get caller ID announcement at any time. In this way, you can easily stop caller ID announcement on your phone OnePlus Nord CE2 Lite 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.